Ugawan ka.
And Luis, come here. You follow me. I'm the owner of the iPad.
Follow you?
And this is my son. This is the gigit. And this is Victor, the suplado. Pero guapo. Look at the camera, try. Come on. Say hi. Say hi. This is also Sean. And then this is the Bajao.
Video, Luis.
Oh, and the birthday boy, come here. This is the birthday boy. This is Borgie Boards, our border boy. Kuyawa. Pakita mo naman kami. Ako na mag-abnoy. Isko. And, oh yan, Isko. Luis na daw na siya.
Ano yan? Video or?
Video.
Hello.
Hi, Isko. Wala ka. Tapos ipalo mo ako, dali. Come here. Joy, punta sa, ano? Ay, sige, maglakad ako. Kaya ako maglakad ako. Huwag mo kami, ano, do not, walang back shot. Front. That's my new red shoes. Mine also. Please, you go ahead of us. Thank you, Ate, for these shoes. Ate, thank you, Sunshine, for my dress. And I have here my friend. This is Febby, the pretty one. Ah, yes. Always pretty. And he's almost 50 years old. Hi! Same here. Same time. Same as Leia. 2 years more. It's okay. I'm happy. And do I look 50? Yeah. 51. No kunot still. Anong kunot? Kunot. Eh, Shikai. Shikai. Hi, Shikai. Shikai. Emote. Starts now. Shikai na lakat Kuya Isko, oh. There's an ice cream, Kuya Isko. Ice cream.
Kuya mo, bigay mo.
Bigay mo. Okay. Follow the stars. Okay. We're going inside the house. And this is Captain Johnny.
Yes, hello. This is Andrea.
Barangay Captain of
Our soon to be
Nowhereland.
Norland.
Yeah.
I love you.
Video mo. That is Tita Bay. Tita Bay. You say hi. Wave to the camera.
Hi, love you. God loves you.
Tita Bay. Pastor Domi.
Architect and profession. My hobby, Mr. Frank Fernandez.
Jeff.
Hey, Jeff.
Okay.
Ay, laga. This is Kai.
And these are
my apo, my granddaughter.
Yeah, you introduce yourself. I'm her shadow. Excuse me. They introduce everyone. Guys, mother. Amor, Joy, Maki, Roxy. Mga ninang. From all over the Philippines. From below to Cebu. And this is my shadow pen. Shadow like oh, come on. And these are the fishes of Eva. Okay. Oh, yeah. And over here, this is my holiday. Okay. It's also a birthday celebrant. This is for what? 42 years old today. 24. You say hi. You say hi. Hi. Hello, Papa Birds. Hi, Papa Birds.
sorry for technical service.
And this is the vampire. Naka-ready. Well, come on, I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna say something. It's your heart out. You're the enjoy. And this is Ate Pearl. Pearl of the Orient. And the mother dear of all. Hi, Mert. Who's Mert? Ah, ito yan! Mas, tinitulog kay Mert Mas. Para sa YouTube na siya, Mas. And this is Mother Dear, the mother of Lago Promise. And this is the vampire. The pastor's wife.
Dapat ang slide, ano pagpasok slide ko?
The pastor's wife. I could never be a pastor's wife. I smile like this. Over this one and then this one. 16 years old. Yeah, I am 16 years old. A long time ago. I'm 16 years ago. I'll be 48 in a few days' time. So, you know, I'm proud of it. And this is introducer. Fiancé. Come on. Come on, sister. Sister, level up. And this is level down. Miss level up. So they are leveling up. Ay, naku! Sorry, may collar ako ngayon. Si bipolar! Alala ko si bipolar. Oh! Luis!
Celebrity.
This is your favorite. This is my guitarist.
And pianist.
Yamina Sandra Kanya, soon to be what? Okay, what can you say about your mom? Baby, nakialam ka na naman!
What can you say about your nice coat? Wala siyang masabi. Wala siyang masabi.
Yeah, I'm like this, but I'm lovable like Trump.
Mana ako sa kanya. Tumilo ko.
See? That's the result of eating all this food. Kasi baby, ayaw mo salita kasi ayaw ko mag-speak the English. No, I'm going home. And that's all that she can say. Bye. 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 Okay, let's walk the walk, Sebi. Come on. Walk the walk. Let's walk the walk. Ayun na, the sliding one. Come on, the camera. At sabi ko, kailangan ko yung camera. I cannot face the camera. Walk. I
Hey. Hindi pa maata siya.
Anyway, hey, listen to me. Mr. Cameraman, my favorite sister. Wala ilagan mo. No choice. She's the only one. So, you like it or like it? You like it. Whether you like it or you like it, we like it. Hey, Pretty Joy.
Tatanong ka. Pinatapos?
Are you following us? Yeah. We're gonna introduce to you Pastor Luis Moran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hello. How are you, dear?
And this is
Now, here is...
Kamasura Kumpang. And this is our groovy uncle, the one and only Uncle Phil.
Say hello. You hello.
Hello, kasi ano namin yung sa YouTube ako.
Hello to everyone.
And this is our dad.
Yeah.
Daddy Leo. And I'm Leia. I'm the junior. And we have videos over there with brother. This is Don John. This is my brother John. Over here. Some
Hi.
friends from the church. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Apple.
Okay, thank you. Come on. And this is the coconut. And this is Pretty Joy. This is Pretty Leia. Saying peace, love, love, love. Bye.